participants are requested to please turn on their videos, and few of them are requested to give the feedback on this particular training.
Thank you, Vishal sir and Nima sir. Though I think when we were joining on the first day, I think a lot of my participants, colleagues, were also in a situation that okay, it's going to be a very tough in terms of learning modeling in a 5 days, and that 2-3 different softwares, QGIS, so QSLS or CUPS. But I think the effort taken up by Dr. Vish and Dr. Nema are commendable, and I think I feel myself at least capable enough with as for long. I think 15. I can at this certainly 20 cases in this model. We explore more. We will cross those, and I hope I will be getting some future also for any query and any problem we face from NIH as well as NHP. And I also thank to all NHP support given to such trainings. I think more such trainings are needed at a field officer level as well as middle and higher level officers.
So there
What is becoming, I can say, if you would have a manual and trying to do ourselves, it would have been a Herculean job to learn it. But I think it became very easy. And I also thank all the participants. Some of them were excellent and they were helping us on the WhatsApp group. And third thing is, it becomes amazing to know this online platform. Actually, our focus were more on this platform rather than when we used to come to the NIH campus. Though I think we are missing the campus. That in this winter it was chilly, and then we used to go to the lab in the night sometimes. I had been in earlier some trainings. We are missing those moments, but I think it was great experience to interact here in online platform as well. Thanks once again, and looking forward more in future such trainings in this and the similar areas. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ashwini ji. Anybody else? Sagar, if you wish, then you can share your views.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for this training, sir. Actually, model making and regression we are doing, sir. But main thing comes in model optimization. That is more important. How to optimize that and how we go to the accuracy. That is so important, and now we know how to achieve that. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we have a sir active participation from the ladies participants also. I can see Purnima madam and Pallavi ji is here. If they want to have their views on the training feedback, please, Purnima ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, sir. Actually, sir, on the second day of the hands-on training, I was totally stuck up, sir, due to that software issues and all. But I thought of quitting also, sir. But it did not allow me to quit, actually, take over. The way he was addressing each and individual aspect was nice, sir, very nice, actually. Thank you for this sessions. Thank you.
Thank you very much. If somebody else, if they want to share their views, they are welcome. Okay, if not, then now I request Dr. Sanjay Jain sir, the nodal officer of the NHP activities for NIH, to say a few words about the trainings.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Nima. And first of all, I congratulate Dr. Vishal and Dr. Nima for successful completion of this particular training program. And I hope that the participants have learned the basics of SWOT model as well as data preparation, database preparation, which is one of the most important thing in this type of modeling exercise. So using remote sensing and GIS, so that has been covered in detail through hands-on training. So I think now some of the participants can apply this model if they want to do some modeling study for their study. So it will be the real success of this type of training if participants are applying their own this type of model, because this model, as you know, in the beginning also it has been said that this model is widely used now in rainfall runoff modeling and sediment modeling. We are extensively using this model. So if some of the participants either in their study or in their PDS, if they can apply, then it will be a real success. So I end with these words, and I hope participants have learned much about from this course. I know that during this period, the online training program, it is not easy to learn hands-on training, especially because when we are conducting this in physical mode, then we have better interaction. But through this WhatsApp group and other these communications, maybe you have learned a little bit, some of you who are new. So thank you, and now I wish all the success to the participants for their studies. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for those kind words. Now I request Dr. A.K. Lwani, sir, to say a few words about the training, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nima. Respected Director, sir, Dr. Javid Tyagi, Dr. Sanjay Jain, Nodal Officer, NHP, course coordinators, Dr. Manish Nima, Dr. Vishal Singh, and dear participants, very good afternoon. I was actually going through all the WhatsApp chats and other things, so I found that the participants were very active during the training. This is the efforts which our coordinators, both the coordinators, they were putting during these 5 days. I saw, and the whole this concept was basically conceptualized by our director. This is training. So first time we have organized this training, particularly for the NHP group. So earlier, this type of training has been organized for the students and the researchers. So there is some difference between the two groups, because if we talk about the researchers and a practitioner, those who are in the government jobs, so they are basically you just see you are not that much in touch with the right now with the books and other things. So still teaching all those things to you, telling all those things without patiently. So I congratulate both the coordinators. So they have done marvelous job during that training period, and the participants also. They showed very much interest, particularly during the tutorials also. So I was looking after that. Most of you were able to do all those exercises. So this is really a good achievement. Although, as Dr. Jain has mentioned, that particularly online training, there are certain drawbacks are there. We don't have direct contact, but still, if you could able to communicate through the chat or the WhatsApp chat or the WebEx chat, so it was marvelous that you could do all those things. And then sometimes the sharing of your screen with the coordinators also, that also helps in basically in doing all those exercises. So now I once again congratulate all of you, and then I was also looking after the feedback and other aspects, whatever the I think the tutorials and then some examination kind of thing they have conducted. So that was very good. So you with all those things basically are showing the interest you have showed during the 5 days. So I once again congratulate all the participants for successfully completing this course, and I hope in future also you will be in touch with our scientists and you will work in these areas and try to implement this in your real practical lives also. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. I just would like to share a screen with you, sir, about the. This was the feedback what we have received. This is the overall verdict of the course. If you see, so it was categorized. 58% says it's excellent, and 38% says it's a very good course. So just to show the feedback of the participants what we have received, sir. So after that, sir, I would like to invite our respected director, Dr. Javid Tyagi, sir. So in order to have his final remarks on the training, sir. Well, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Manish. And good evening, everyone. I extend my warm welcome to all the participants as well as the faculty of NIH to the valedictory function of this training course. And I know during this entire week, you all have had a very hectic schedule of lectures and computer sessions, and you all must have been tired. But that's the great work that is being done by the coordinators and by the faculty of NIH for the service of the nation. And let me reiterate the objective of this training course. Basically, the objective of this training course is basically to impart the participant a comprehensive training on SWOT modeling to enable them the application of the model to the real field application. You know, as I have been telling always, this SWOT has got very extensive and diversified application in the field of water resources as well as in water management, and also in the in water quality management also. So we have been organizing this course with that basic objective that our aim should be to provide the maximum knowledge to the participant, to the implementing agencies, whether they be from the NHP or implementing agencies, or be the students, research scholars, or even professionals. This time, as I'm told, there are only 30 participants, but we used to receive huge response for this training course. And even in physical form, when we organize at Roorkee, then also we receive, more than 100 applications in physical form. So you can imagine if it is organized on online mode, then there are number of applications, and sometimes it becomes difficult to handle them. But anyway, because this time we are restricting this course to the implementing agencies under NHP, so probably the number of participants were less, and there are 30 now. But the response normally we used to receive in SWOT training course, that shows the interest of potential users of SWOT and also the importance of the SWOT modeling. And I was also going through the lecture schedule, and there I found that NIH faculties have covered almost all the topics of SWOT, be it a basic topic or the advanced topic related to SWOT. And here I would like to tell one more thing, that the topics we cover, or in 5 days, nowhere a comprehensive course is conducted in India, neither in India nor abroad. Because I have attended other courses also, I have seen and I have participated as a faculty in the courses which are being organized by other organizations. So nowhere you will find such a comprehensive course which we try to deliver in 5 days duration. Though when it was in physical, we arranged 15 days course also, but now being on online, so we are arranging 5 days. But during these 5 days, I think we deliver sufficient so that the participants are expert. They can apply the model at their own. And you see, our faculties are also trying to maintain a two-way interaction always with the participant to address their doubts as well as any difficulty which the participants might have during the application. So during this training course, we are always maintaining a two-way interaction. And I hope that this time also all the participants must have run the model at their own and also might have used the SWOT cup successfully to calibrate the model also. As you know, though it is not always possible, or during these 5 days, it is not possible to learn each and everything in a short duration. But still, I hope the course would prove useful to the participant, and you will gain more confidence and in-depth knowledge when you start applying the model to one of your catchment which you select for your study. This I'll tell you especially until unless you apply the model, you take up a catchment or even a small basin or a watershed and try to apply the model to that catchment. Until unless you apply that, you will forget everything, whatever you have learned in this course. Because these are the things that comes with the practice. And you need to put the things in practice to know more and more things about the SWOT. Because it's not a simple model, it's a very comprehensive model that covers many aspects. Point and known points, so related to hydrology, point source pollution, known point source pollution. So everything it covers. So you also need to put some effort to know more and more about the SWOT model. So with these words, I finally congratulate the coordinators of this course, Dr. Vishal Singh, as well as Dr. Neha, for organizing this training course very successfully, that too online. And that too with such a good delivery that all participants are appreciating, and the response from the participant is quite good, as more than 50%, around 60% are reporting that it was an excellent course. So both the coordinators and faculty deserve the congratulations. So thank you very much, and I hope the participants have enjoyed this course, and I wish them all success in their future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. And we always look forward to perform the same in under your visionary leadership, sir. And now I would like to invite Dr. Vishal Singh to give a vote of thanks to all the participants as well as the guests. Dr. Vishal.
Thank you, Dr. Nima, sir. And hello, everyone, once again. And first of all, I am very grateful to our respected director, sir, who has given the permission to conduct this training program on SWOT modeling. And he was also the faculty of this training program. So, then I would like to thank Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain, sir, and Dr. Lohani, sir. Under their guidance only, we are able to conduct this training program. And again, I would like to say thanks to Dr. Nima, sir. So he actively participated, and he has demonstrated very well each and every step to the participants. And again, at last, not the least, I would like to give many thanks to our participants who have actively involved and participated in each and every step of this training program. And I have seen that some participants, they have worked till late night also. And once they have done their exercises, they have sent their screenshots on the WhatsApp group. And now at this moment, I can say very confidently that each and every participant is now able to work on the SWOT model and SWOT curve. I think all of you have successfully run the SWOT model. No any single person is left out who say that I have not finished the SWOT calibration, SWOT simulation, and optimization. So again, congratulate to all of you, and try to work on your own model, own study area, and do more practice on it. Then you will learn more on it. Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Vishal. There is one last request for all the participants. I have pasted few links which are pertaining to the social media activities of the NIH. So I request all the participants to please follow our social media activities on Facebook, Twitter, as well as in YouTube. Instagram also we are present over there. So links are there in the chat box as well as in the WhatsApp group. So I request all of you to please keep track and liking our activities. It will also help you to get to know what kind of future trainings those are coming or not, right? So thank you all. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much.
So once again, thank you so much to all of you. Thank you very much.
And be in touch with Dr. Vishal and Dr. Nema for your future problems that you may have while applying the model to your study area. So they will be able to help you.
You're always welcome.
Even sir, we have created the WhatsApp group just 2 years back. They are also till now they are contacting us, and they are
That group is still activated. Still getting the messages.
Yes.
So we will be available for you if you have any difficulty at any moment, any point of time. So you can contact to us.
So thank you all.
Thank you, sir.